Welcome to another Gutenberg blocks tutorial. This guide will show you how to use the Essential Blocks accordion to showcase product data, FAQ creatively. Before getting started, make sure you have installed and activated the Essential Blocks plugin on your WordPress website. First, navigate to Blocks from Essential Blocks from your WordPress dashboard and toggle on to enable accordion. Now open the page or post in Gutenberg, where you want to add the accordion block. Click the plus icon to add a new block. Then, search and add the accordion block. Once done, select a template from any of the available ones. Here, we have selected the classic accordion layout. However, you can update accordion layouts later from the General tab. You can customize the individual accordion items' title text, suffix prefix, icon, color, and more as necessary to match your needs. On top of that, you can add more accordion items and customize their title, suffix prefix, icon and more. Next, from the Style tab, you can update the accordion's toggle speed, change the tab's icon, customize its color, hover color, etc. Plus, you can adjust content alignment, customize typography and color and more for further needs. After that, you can customize the margin, padding, typography and more on the Advanced tab as per your needs. When you are done customizing, give a final check to the accordion items and hit the Save button. That's it. Let's have a look at the preview of the newly added accordion on your page. This is how easily you can design and customize accordions using the Essential Blocks on your WordPress site. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more resourceful videos like this.